A. Torres Jr., Mr. Antonio Lambino II, President and Trustee of Ayala Foundation Incorporated, Dr. Tirso A. Pasok, President, Director Randy Del Rosario, Stakeholders Relations Service of DPWH, Philippine National Volunteers Coordinating Agency, Executive Director Donald D. Gawet, members of the DMA Regional Steering Committee, DMA Provincial Steering Committee, dedicated media practitioners, esteemed partners in development. Good afternoon to all of you. It is a great honor and privilege to join you all today at the launch of the Bayanihan Media Awards, or BMA. This marks a significant milestone in our collective journey to promote and celebrate volunteerism across the nation. This event highlights and acknowledges the transformative power of media in shaping public consciousness and driving societal change. By recognizing media practitioners and organizations who use their platforms to spotlight volunteerism, we not only recognize their invaluable contributions, but also encourage a culture of service and community engagement. The Bayanihan Media Awards underscores the important role of the media in our society, particularly in bridging information and the public, shaping narratives, and influencing perceptions. When media practitioners choose to cover stories of volunteerism, they do more than report, they inspire. They put a spotlight on the selfless acts of ordinary individuals, turning them into beacons of hope and models of civic responsibility. These stories remind us of our shared humanity and the profound impact we can have when we come together for the greater good. The Civil Service Commission is proud to support the Bayanihan Media Awards and all efforts towards strengthening volunteerism for holistic development. We recognize that volunteerism is not just an act of service, it is a powerful tool for nation building. Volunteerism fosters solidarity, compassion, and resilience in our communities, making it a cornerstone of sustainable development. As we celebrate the launch of the Bayanihan Media Awards, I am reminded of a powerful quote by Martin Luther King Jr. And he said, "Life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others?" End of quote. This profound statement encapsulates the essence of volunteerism. It reminds us that our lives gain true meaning when we dedicate ourselves to serving others. The impact we make through our selfless acts of kindness and generosity not only transforms the